Hello and welcome back. In this video I'm showing how to integrate Excel in Microsoft Teams using channel tabs. So stay tuned. Now I have navigated to the Teams desktop application and you can see there is one team listed there called Project Board. Now inside that Teams general channel, if I click on the Files tab, you can see there's an Excel file. I can just show you what's inside the Excel file, so it's just some project information. Now I will navigate back to the Teams area. So I need to put this Excel file into one of these tabs here, so because it's been frequently used. So to do that I need to click on the plus sign next to the wiki and I will select Excel app here. This will show me all the files inside that team, so I can select the project Excel file and I can post information on the channel. I'll click save. Now you can see the Excel file is available from the Teams as a tab, and you can easily navigate between the post file, wiki and Excel file. You can easily rename it by clicking the drop arrow and select rename. I'll just give it a different name called project. Now you can see that renaming is done, and also you can see the message in the channel that there is a new tab for Excel is added. That's it for today. Consider subscribing if you are new to the channel. Give me thumbs up if you found this video useful. If you have any question related to this video or anything related to Office 365, put in the comment section below. I will be happy to answer it. Thank you.